Terry, you know what the great thing about Valentine's Day candy is?
What?
The day after Valentine's Day, all this is on sale.
Yeah.
So we picked this up after Valentine's Day. I forgot we had it. Now it's March, so we gotta eat some of this stuff. The nice thing about this box is that it tells you what's what. Like you never buy it, you know, there's
Oh, I hate that.
Forrest Gump chocolates where they don't tell you what they are. So you get 20 pieces and it looks like you get 4 of each. So there's caramel, and they're distinguished by shape: strawberry cream, orange cream, cocoa truffle, chocolate caramel. Caramel. Do you say caramel or caramel?
Caramel.
Caramel. We had a student in our studio that used to say that was wrong. What's her name? Mila.
Yeah.
So this is, I think, the strawberry cream.
Mila was wrong.
Definitely tastes like strawberries.
Yeah.
Very creamy, but you can see there's like a little bit of chocolate on it too.
Is it good?
Here, have some. And then, oh look, this one even has it on the side. Nice, look at that. So you don't have to flip the box over and spill all your chocolates.
That's very sweet.
That's very sweet. That is a very sweet thing for them to do. No, she was saying that.
Chocolate's very sweet.
So this was caramel, right? This one matches up here. Gooey. Look at all that gooey goodness.
Gooey goodness.
You want some?
No.
No.
Yes.
Yes.
I'll have this one.
I think she likes it. And this one is the rectangular one. That is like a, that's what they call it, staba. In ancient Egypt, they had these before the pyramids. Anyway, orange cream.
No.
Drippy.
Oh, that stuff's so sweet.
Very orangey. Yeah, that's pretty sweet. You want that one? Okay.
I'm good.
Cocoa truffle. This one actually, you can see kind of the cocoa powder on it. A little bit. Yeah. See how?
Sweet.
That's not drippy. That's like nougaty. It's kind of like Milky Way bar kind of thing going on there. And then there's one left. That's the chocolate caramel. And then, see, there's 2 rows of 5, but then there's another section underneath. So that's how you get 20. It's like playing Candy Crush.
Intense.
Intense. The caramel is very similar. The other caramel, but the dark chocolate really makes this one. I think this might be my favorite.
What is it?
Chocolate caramel. All right. Elmer chocolates. I think I got this for $2.50 after Valentine's Day. Excuse me. You know how chocolate sometimes makes you sneeze?
Bless you.
That's what happened there. All right. Enjoy your chocolates.